Hey guys, today I'm back with another DIY. It's great for sustainable gardening, and in case if you're getting short of planters for all your plant babies, then do check it out. So let's start. The things you will be needing are a raw green coconut. I have carefully cleaned it inside and let it dry in the sun for 1 day. And here's a tape which I've used as a stand temporarily when I'll be marking the coconut. Here's a marker for that. Here's a hacksaw. It will be easy if you have a cutter. Here's any plant of your choice, some soil and a screwdriver. So let's start. Here's the coconut which I have placed upon the stand. Keep it upright or in the position you want to mark or cut. This is how it will be looking when you cut the coconut from the bottom. And here's a clear view for you to see as I'll be marking the coconut for cutting. I've used the marker and you can use it roughly to make a circle around the coconut in the place where you will be cutting. There's no need for a perfection, just mark it roughly. You can see here I'll be cutting along this line and I'm using a hacksaw. You can use a blade in case you have it, that will be easy I think. Well, watch out your hands, or you can also use gloves as protection comes first. So carefully cut with the hacksaw, watching out your hands, and cut side by side, making it to the middle for a smooth cut. Well, it took me around 10 to 15 minutes, so take it slow and steady. And this is how it will be looking after it is cut completely, and now it's able to stand upright. And now I'll be making some holes for drainage. It is very important for the water drain. Firstly, I tried in the middle, but the hard work was always as I was unable to make it. You can see how hard I'm trying, but in case if you have a driller, then it will be easy I think. So then I tried making in the size and you can see it was a success. But in case if you are using an old coconut, then it might be a little difficult for you, so apply extra pressure. But in case if you have a drill, then it's good to go. As you can see, I was able to make all the 3 holes easily, and now you can easily use it as a planter. It was a pretty large coconut, so I had to use some extra soil, as you can see. Well, for this one I decided to go with a spider plant as I love its spider pups hanging down. You can see it has a great root system, and now I'll be planting it. I have placed the soil halfway and then I'll be placing the remaining soil. As you can see, I filled the planter halfway with soil and then placed the plant as not to damage the root system, as you can see, and then I poured in the remaining soil. Well, I ran out of soil in the middle, as you can see, and now I'm back again and I started filling out it again, as it was a pretty large planter, so I needed more soil. And I tap it out to fill out any empty spaces around the roots. Well, this plant is quite sturdy as it holds water inside the roots and it's great for low light. So I'll be placing it in the shade. Well, we are all done and I think it looks great, and here's how it looks at various places of my house. I think it looks great and is great in case if you are getting short of planters. And if you like such videos and want to know more about plants and some great DIYs, then do like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Creativity. Thank you.